SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to save a picture from a website on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you found a picture from a website that you would like to save to your iPhone, then you have the ability to do so. Before we get started, however, there's a couple things to keep in mind. The first is that not every picture that you open in a web page on your iPhone is going to behave the same way. Additionally, some websites also change the settings for their pictures so that they can't be downloaded. But with that in mind, if you want to save a picture from a website on your iPhone, then you can open the Safari app. You can then navigate to the web page with the picture that you want to save, and then you can find the picture. Once you found that picture, you're going to tap and hold on it, which is going to bring up an additional contextual menu, and then you can scroll down through the list of options and you can find the Save to Photos option. Now you'll just tap that, and then that's going to download that picture to the Photos app on your iPhone. So if you go back and you go to Photos, you're going to see that that picture is now the most recent picture saved to your camera roll. So you'll be able to share it or edit it in the same way that you would use a picture that you took with your camera.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.